Bitcoin has now successfully returned to the consolidation range, currently sitting at $65,000. And we have a very interesting signal that is forming up right now. I want you to look at this chart. This is the Bitcoin Coinbase Premium Gap. The Coinbase Premium Gap signals early signs of returning US demand. That's why it is a very important indicator. The Coinbase Premium Gap, that's a metric that measures the price difference between Coinbase Advanced and Binance. And this metric has recently moved back into positive territory. And this actually makes the third occurrence since the beginning of the year, with the gap currently standing at $10.18, which remains relatively modest at this stage. This return to positive territory actually suggests a gradual improvement in demand from professional and institutional participants, particularly those based in the United States. That's why it is an important one. And Coinbase Advance remains an infrastructure that is less accessible to the general public and more tailored down to professional participants, while Binance, on the other side, continues to be the most widely used platform globally, especially among retail investors. The products and services offered by Binance, they continue to capture a significant share of the overall market liquidity. Since February the 4th, when Bitcoin began to enter a more pronounced corrective phase, the Coinbase Premium Gap has progressively started to recover before turning positive again today. Only today we see that positive reversal. And this signal, of course, remains tentative and it reflects ongoing investor caution. However, the current price levels appear to be gradually becoming attractive again for professional participants and institutions. It means that at these levels they are accumulating, and that's why we see this indicator turning positive. Of course, we need to be cautious here and we need to understand that this gap could actually move back into negative territory in the short term again. If we see this trend improving and we further move to the positive territory, then this means we see a genuine shift in the trend and investors' behavior. We are not there yet, but we see early signs of this. So we'll keep monitoring this metric. Just something, if you didn't know, that's one signal to look into. We talked about Bitcoin. Let's see how the altcoins are doing in crypto bubbles. Since Bitcoin is now going to this consolidation range, one thing that we can see, if it holds there and consolidates, we might see small rally in the altcoins while Bitcoin is consolidating. That's also possible. And we see some strength today in the altcoins in particular. We can see increases of 15%, Virtual is up 15%, Morpho, Kite is even more. We see a lot of green. Solana is up 7%, Polygon as well, Matic, World Liberty Financial, after the hacker's attack is up. So we see everything is trending. Ondo has a fair bubble, similar to Solana, Pengu as well. Let's go to the second page briefly. Power, ARC, Bera. Here we have bigger increases. The lower we go, the smaller the market cap, then the bigger the gains would be. Here we see increases of 25-30%. River is trying to recover. River was on my watch list. I shared that on Discord, but this project dropped big time from around $90 to $8 in just days. But and it doesn't seem to. You can see the chart looks like Burj Khalifa. That was on my watch list, but I think I'm no longer considering this project at this stage. Okay, well, I would say if you have the opportunity now, on the next dip, try to load up some projects. We have SUI sitting at a great discount with 2 ETFs approved and launched already. That's a big thing for SUI. And I definitely think we're going to see SUI sitting at the previous all-time high at $5 and then going even higher in 2026. I think SUI is definitely a project that you should consider. Also, we have SEI. We have a lot of stable coins launched on SEI. Huge institutional interest in this project. The daily users are hitting new all-time highs. The price keeps going down, but I think we're going to see a reversal trend very soon, because the most important for one project is the revenue and the daily users. The total value locked as well, and SEI's metrics are doing well. We see the institutional interest in this. We see stable coins launched on SEI, so you can take advantage and buy the discount on SEI. I still believe in this project. Somebody asked me here on YouTube. I said yes, I haven't lost my conviction. I'm still accumulating SEI. Another great one, Caspa, as well, sitting just below 0.3 cents. The team is building something really big, something that would drive institutional interest, because this project is super fast and potentially there will be stable coins coming to Caspa as well. They are working towards that. If this happens, then I think a lot of institutions will become interested in Caspa as a project to build on. We'll keep monitoring the updates that's available on Discord. If you want to join us on Discord and be part of the community, I'll drop a link to it in the comments and the description below, and I'll be very happy to welcome you as part of our community to see what we are buying, what we are selling, what we are swing trading, because we keep adding projects to our portfolio on a regular basis, swing trade those, and find better opportunities. And so far, it is working well. If you want to be part of the community, link will be in the description below. As I said, on the next dip, if you can load some projects like Solana, Sui, XRP, Cardano if you wish as well, make sure you do so, because we are coming close to the bottom now. Nobody can perfectly time the bottom. We might have already reached it when Bitcoin dropped to 59k. We might go even lower, but don't miss this opportunity. DCA, dollar cost averaging, is the way to go in this market. So don't go all in, make sure you have some money and you reduce your entries, but don't just wait for some perfect or magic number. That's from today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.